We divide 437 by 2 in long division method. 2 times 2 is 4. On subtracting it is 0. We put down these 3 and remove 0. 2 times 1 is 2. On subtracting it is 1. We put down this 7 and it is 70. So 2 times 8 is 16. On subtracting it is 1. So now this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number beside. So we put here decimal so that we take 0. So now it is 10 and 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting it is 0. So 437 divided by 2 is 218 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.